It's nice that Wyvern's daughter likes riding, isn't it, really? She's a good little lass on the back of that, so that's all groovy. At least he gets out more than two, bless him. As this is the bit that Gavin himself sorted out, I sort of know this bit, so, well, I know all of it really, but I know where we can and can't overtake. I think I shall catch Bex up, I will. Get her on the footage. It's always nice being on the footage, isn't it? Remember, this is a bloody bumpy crossing. The old dude there's not looking very happy. Oh, so there's bloody motorbikes coming through my... I don't know if it's Yorkshire, but I'm just coming through my village. They want to sod off. Well, we're here, so too. I think we're... no, we're supposed to go left, that's right. Being signed next to the river. It's quite lovely, 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 lovely. Look at the river, look at the swans swimming, and there goes Mr. Hornet, horneting it about it. Aye, it could be Bambi, couldn't it? Aye, but it's Bambi. Gone grey again. Oh, don't want rain, don't want rain, don't want rain, 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 rain. I'm checking to see if we've got a fly on the lens. I haven't. You don't want a fly on your lens, do you? There we go. I say we came down this way a few weeks ago, a couple of 3 weeks ago, and there's a power station here, and we did a bit of hooning, we did a bit of fly by. I think Gav's new opening sequences is in flying past, which is all rather fun. Nice classic Honda, that one. I can detect a bit of moisture in the air. Mouldy moist. Yes, I was saying, I think I made a mistake with buying a cheap helmet. Not only is it noisy, wind noise and all sorts of noise, it creaks inside. The liner's creaking against the polystyrene shell. A bit of a pain. That bloody sugar beet factory absolutely stinks. I know some people like the smell of it. To me it smells like rotten socks. Bloody horrible. Yeah. They all went off there. I saw bikes going left. I thought it must be going the other way into Newark, and obviously not. Oh. That was a bit airy fairy, wasn't it?
I don't want to be that guy. Oh, that guy in that place.